My name is Sachin Selar. I am faculty in Electric Engineering Department of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today I will be discussing Indian energy scenario, which is a part of subject Energy Audit and Management, third year electrical. So let's start with Indian National Grid. So there are 5 regions of the national grid of India. First is the northern grid, this part. Second is the northeastern grid. This part comes under northeastern grid, while this part comes under the eastern grid. Here there is a western grid and lastly southern grid. So total 5 regions are there and all are interconnected. Let's look at category wise install capacity at all India level. So this pie chart shows the install capacity, and as on January 2021 the total install capacity of India is 377 gigawatt. Source is CEA, that is Central Electricity Authority website. And here you can see that eastern region is having 424 gigawatt, northern region is having 88 gigawatt, western region is having 134 gigawatt, northeastern is having 48 gigawatt, and southern region is having 106 gigawatt. Let's look at sector wise install capacity, that is central sector, private sector and state sector. So the central sector is having 94.77 gigawatt out of 377 gigawatt of the all India capacity. Private sector is topping with 178.89 gigawatt, while the state sector is giving 103.62 gigawatt support, which is forming totally to 377 gigawatt all India level install capacity. Resource wise, if you go by the install capacity of all India, this is the figure as on 24/02/2021, and the source is the NPP government website. And you can see here thermal is topping with 61.57% and giving as high as 233 gigawatt. So still the most of the generation in India happens due to thermal. Next highest is hydro, which is 12.2% and giving 46 gigawatt. Nuclear is mere 1.79%, that is 6 gigawatt. Wind is picking up and it is having 10.21% of the total install capacity and almost 38 gigawatt it is being provided by the wind. The small hydro 1.26, that is giving 4.7 gigawatt. Biopower 2.72 gigawatt, 2.72%, that is 10 gigawatt, and solar power is giving 10.24%, that is 38 gigawatt, which is topping to total install capacity of 378 gigawatt. This is the February 2021 figure. So we have to move from thermal to more and more to renewable one. So let's see how things goes. This diagram shows the Indian power sector performance during December 2020, and this is the source CEA website. It's an interesting one to see. Let's look at this conventional generation. Almost 103.66 billion units are generated using conventional sources, while renewable generation has added 10.71 billion units. So still long way to go to increase this and reduce this. If you see, the peak demand met is 182 gigawatt, while the energy supplied is 106.13 billion unit, and all India plant load factor is 57.06%. Let's look at now the per capita electrical consumption on world basis. It's a 2019 figure. This shows average annual electricity consumption per capita measured in kilowatt hours, that is kWh, that is 1 electrical unit per year. So as it can be seen from here 0 kilowatt to highest. This dark color is 55,000 kilowatts. So this is how it looks, and clearly it can be seen that Canada is having highest, then USA is there, Australia is there, India is somewhere here. We'll be looking in the next slides. While some of the China you can see slightly ahead of us, while some of the countries, especially in African countries, this is very poor. So these are the developed countries and these are developing countries. Again, interesting graph to see here. This is again a per capita electrical consumption, but I have selected few countries based on 2019. United States had 13,375 kWh as their per capita electricity consumption. Australia was having some 10,000, France 8.5 thousand kilowatt hour, China 5,233, United Kingdom 4794, while India is hovering to 1141 kilowatt hour. So developing countries need to go higher and higher, and that's how these developed countries, you can see the per capita electric consumption is quite high. And the source for this data is Our World in Data based on BP Statistical Review. Another way of looking at the India's per capita consumption is right from 2002 to 2019, how the journey is there. So somewhere in 2002 it was somewhere at 510 kilowatt hour. So from there we have come to 1208 or 1210 somewhere in 2019-20. So still it is a long way to go for us. Let's see region wise per capita consumption. It is interesting to see Eastern region is having 731 kilowatt hour, while Northeastern region is having 402. It is the lowest one. Northern region is 1089. Southern region is 1577, while the highest is at the Western region 1631. So again, clearly there is more development and more industries are there in northern western region. So that's why it is 1631 is the highest one. Again, interesting graph. I have tried to put it for 6 states compared to all India level. So all India is standing to 1208. While if you take Delhi, our capital, it is 1572. While Gujarat, it is topping the list, 2388 kilowatt hour. Maharashtra 1418 kilowatt hour, Andhra Pradesh 1507, while Bihar 332 kilowatt hour, Meghalaya 861, which is compared with the All India 1208. So still long way to go to All India as well as for few of the state. So I hope you have liked this video. Thank you for watching.